Today beehexa will show you how to retrieve, create, and delete a shipping zone. Watch the video to understand the steps and necessary notes. Let's get started. First of all, we need to check the shipping zone in the BigCommerce store. Go to Setting, and Shipping Zone is in Shipping section. As you can see, our store just have a shipping zone, United States. Now we'll retrieve all shipping zones. Access Postman opens a new request. To retrieve all shipping zone information, select Get and copy the URL with the structure. Now, your job is to get the store hash of the store instead of the store hash in this URL. In the header, provide the store's access token information to allow it to access the shipping zone information. XAuth token, access token. Click the Send button to send the request. And here is the result for my store. If your store there are more than one, then it will show more than this. Turn to the next chapter, create a shipping zone. Now, we will create a new shipping zone in BigCommerce using Postman. Select Post and add this URL. Replace store hash with the store hash of your BigCommerce store. In Header section, you must fill in the information, including accept, content type, XAuth token, in the body section. Click on raw to fill in the data. Remember to change the text to JSON. Then add the code in the box. To create a shipping zone, you need to declare some information. Once again, you should click on the code sample I put on description. Here is our example. Then click Send button to see the result. The API will return the data like this. Here, you can see all the information about the new shipping zone. This one has ID 2. Back to BigCommerce backend to see if the new shipping zone was created or not. As you can see, the new shipping zone has been added. Now move to the next chapter, delete a shipping zone. Change post into delete with the same URL. Besides, to delete any shipping zone, you need to declare its ID at the end of the above URL. Skip the body part. In the header section, you need to fill in the information. Then click Send button to send the request. The API will delete all the data. All you can see is an empty box. Now check BigCommerce again to see the changes. The new shipping zone has disappeared in the store. In conclusion, the above are all steps to retrieve, create, and delete a shipping zone using BigCommerce API. Please comment below or refer to our BigCommerce API documentation if you have any questions. Finally, I hope you can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. BigCommerce. Connecting applications. Automating processes.